Where is the Gyeongbokgung Palace? Annyeonghaseyo, Anthronauts. In our last episode, we savored Korean barbecue. Now it is time for your Royal Korean tour of Gyeongbokgung Palace. Often it seems we want to travel merely to claim bragging rights, stating that we have been there and done that. But here in Korea, there is so much more to experience than just self-indulgence. By visiting famous cultural sites, we may better bond with modern Koreans as we see them through their historical lenses. So, let's transform from a me-not to an anthronaut with a visit to the Jongno district. For 600 years, this royal neighborhood has been the heart of Seoul, Korea, and the name Jongno literally means Bell Street, which does have a certain ring to it, don't you think? You see massive ancient walls encircling this area, and after purchasing a ticket, you may enter a city within a city called Gyeongbokgung Palace. This ancient capital was erected in 1395 and just happens to be the Joseon Dynasty's largest and main royal crash pad. The Korean word Gyeongbokgung translates as the palace greatly blessed by heaven. Inside, a long plaza pathway leads you to Gyeongjong, which is the palace's main throne hall, and it's a very popular photo opportunity. This spacious coronation room is where the king would receive guests and view elaborate ceremonies. You'll love its distinctive architecture as well as its ornate designs. Close by are other interesting buildings, museums, and gardens for you to explore, giving you a deeper view of the high life. Unfortunately, this exalted residence has had to endure much hardship, including a 1553 fire where it was extremely damaged, and then 39 years later, Japanese forces invade Korea and burn the Gyeongbokgung Palace to the ground. However, the Korean phoenix eventually rises again for our cultural delight. Before you leave, be sure to enjoy the most amazing experience here, which is the hourly changing of the guard. And I'm not talking about a minor rent-a-cop shift change, but a full-blown exhibition. Check this out and you'll see what I'm talking about.
강의 수문장과 회수 문장이 문어와 문장실을 통해 소리 신문을 확인하고 플레이를 주고 왔습니다.
The gate guards cross-checking your identity with the passwords and ID tags and extended salutes.
Now, when they say that a man's home is his castle, I'm sure it pales in comparison to the grand Gyeongbokgung Palace. If you enjoyed this Imperial episode, then please share your offerings in the comments below, and then strike that subscribe button to receive future travel cultural updates. In our next episode, we'll view Korea from above. See you then. I'm Mark Thomas for Anthronauts. Kamsahamnida and Huiyawa.